Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable OK Google on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open settings, and now right here we have to open this Google option. This one. Now here we have to open settings for Google Apps, Search Assistant and Voice, and Google Assistant. Right here we have to open this first option, Hey Google and Voice Match, and to disable OK Google, all we have to do is just click this button and click OK, and basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!